Now comes the eye part, and I'm going to use this lip shade on my eyes. I'm just blending it with my finger only. It's done. If you can see it, I'm going to set it with this shade, and this is from Wet n Wild palette. So I'm taking this shade and just applying it all over, just setting it. And gently applying same to my lower lash line. Now I'm using this shimmery color on my tear duct. Taking this small amount and just applying it on the inner corner. Taking the same shade and highlighting my brow bone. And now I'm going to apply this Blue Heavens eyeliner, and I love it. It's very reasonable, very cheap. I just like it. So yeah, it's done. So eyeliner is done, and now I'm going to use my Blue Heaven mascara. So okay, it's eyeliner come mascara, I guess. I don't know how it is, but I am not liking this product very much. I don't know. So yeah, this is the final look. And so this is the final look, and I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Mwah!